Dear participants, congratulations on successfully completing the Mastercam course. Over the past 9 hours, you navigated through the basic intricacies of Mastercam, from basic interface understanding to the complexities of multi-axis toolpaths. This is a significant achievement and you should be proud of the hard work and dedication you have demonstrated. As you move forward, remember that the skills you acquired here are highly valuable and sought after in the manufacturing and engineering field. We encourage you to continue practicing and exploring the capabilities of Mastercam to fully harness its potential in your professional projects. Your proficiency in this software will undoubtedly contribute to great efficiency, precision, and creativity in your work. Thank you for choosing us for your training needs, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May the skills you develop here lead to new opportunities and continued success in your career.